Hey YouTube, I started a project today, and which is to I'm going to reskin my what is this, FED5B. It's a 35mm film camera, and as you can see, I've already taken out the original vinyl that was on here. There's still some residue left over. I will need to sand that down. I've only taken the front part. I will move and remove the back when I'm there. So, and this is what it looks like. The two pieces, and fairly, I believe these are the original one. Look how dirty it is, and they're easy to remove. The glue that they were using, it dried out and it started to peel at a corner. So I just ripped it apart. And what I did is I went to local fabric store and purchase vinyl, replacement vinyl. I wanted to do leather, but as you can see, let me see if I can focus. It won't focus. There you go. That's the closest probably I can get. As you can see, there's not a lot of room for leather. Leather is pretty thick, and I try to make it flush as possible. So, but I purchased it's actually different color vinyl. It's fake leather. It's very soft. It feels like the same texture, just different. Well, it's the same material but different texture. And what I did is basically I use these as templates and just trace the back. I haven't cut them out yet, but I traced them. These two pieces with the screw hole right here. And I'll cut them in and glue them on. So let's see, hopefully everything works as it's supposed to. The glue that I'm using, same place I bought the vinyl from. This is Beacon Gem-Tac, and it's a permanent adhesive which it bonds many different type of materials. It bonds, let's see, it bonds gems, sequins, rhinestones to fabric. It bonds fabrics to glass, vinyl, metal. So it's vinyl to metal, and it's multi-purpose. So, but this is pretty cheap, and the vinyl is of course pretty cheap. I bought this, and quarter yards of the vinyl was for about $8 at my local Hancock fabric store. So, but hopefully I can do like a time lapse and show you. Man, this is gross. This is what was the original. It's all yellow and it's got some gunk in there. I'll show you a time lapse of this, and hopefully if you have any questions, concerns, just let me know. Thank you. So after about 2 hours, it's pretty dry, but I want to wait it. I want to wait, probably just let it sit overnight, so it cures hard, and then I'll go back in and see that shiny area. That's probably the extra glue. I just want to wipe that down once this thing sets completely. So you see here with the vinyl, it's flush against the frame of the border. If we had to use if we use leather, it would probably stick out too much. So but the front is done. I don't know if I should do the back. This two-tone looks pretty cool. There's nothing wrong with the back, so I may just leave it as is. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, you see there? There's part of the glue that's not dry yet. So yeah, definitely just gonna let this thing sit overnight, and then we'll come back and detail it up. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.